Have you ever seen this screen when you try to do the most requested thing you can do with an iPhone? I mean, even the most simplest person would have their iPhone to make calls, take pictures, and when you get so many pictures, you want to download them to your PC. But they won't let you do it. Not without knowing secrets and know-hows. They claim that they're so smart and everything is for the person, but it's not. Apple is exactly the opposite. I've seen this screen for about 5 years now, and I cannot download my videos at all to my PC. I keep getting this. I'll plug in the iPhone. Everything's good in the photo app. It'll say it sees them. All my pictures are there. It wants me to select them. I select the pictures, and I select sometimes it does the pictures, but the videos it won't. I'll select maybe just 3 or 4 at a time. I've tried it all different ways, shapes and forms, and all I'm saying is that it won't work. I keep getting this screen. It'll download 1 or 2 to place on my hard drive, and it just won't work. I keep getting this screen over and over again. I'm telling you that there are people out there that exploit this. They've written programs to get you to buy their software so you can do this, and you have to pay like a monthly charge. I've even seen one where they want you to pay $17.99 a month to use their program to download your pictures from your iPhone to your PC, problem free. And I almost did it. I didn't know what to do. I've tried the iCloud, and you're worried about compression, and you don't have your original format. It'll be compressed. It won't be good quality. There must be a way to do this. And I've been trying and trying and trying, and I finally found the secret. But before I show you what that secret is, we're going to try to do this in order just so you understand. The first thing is, if you click anything, if you start looking around while this thing is downloading your videos to your PC, and you start clicking other things and playing games and looking at your mail, you're going to ruin it. And what you have to do is, once you ruin it, you ruin this sequence. If you don't follow the sequence exactly the way I'm showing you, you're going to get that trouble screen and say, oops, something went wrong, and you're going to be dead in the water. And if that happens, you have to unplug your phone, you have to shut your phone off, you have to shut your computer down, not restart, shut it down, restart it, boot it back up, and when it's all ready and good, you start your iPhone, you plug your iPhone in, you start the app, and you download and you can do this process all over again. So I've already done it. I've created a folder down here called demo, and this is where I'm going to demonstrate that it works for you. So the very first thing you have to do is the secret setting that nobody wants to tell you, and it's here. I've already went to photos because I don't want my personal information shown. So I went to settings and I typed in photo, and this is the list I got. You want to go to photos. Oops. You want to go to photos. You want to scroll all the way down, and now your phone is set to automatic. And there's this cockamamie setting down here that says automatically transfer photos in a compatible format, blah blah blah. That'll cause this your PC, not your Apple or Mac. It'll do it flawlessly there, but you're buying a machine that you can't upgrade anymore. Once you buy one of their machines, that's all you got. They make sure you have to buy the next model. So, and that's thousands of dollars. We don't want to do that. We all have PCs. We know what works for us. But if you're an Apple guy, Good for you. Here it is. Keep originals. So you keep it in originals. You don't even have to exit out the screen. And what we're going to do now is we are going to go back to the app. And you're going to come up here and you're going to go import from a connected device. Sometimes this will say didn't go, try again, try again. Again, they made sure that the interface between the Apple iPhone and the Windows PC is very slow. So you're going to have to be patient. Every 15 seconds, click try again. Now here's all my photos again. And what I'm going to do is, sometimes I don't have problems downloading photos. But the ones that have this little play symbol in it, these are movies. MOV. This was my son's football team, and I want to save those for as long as I want. So I'm going to click all of November, because most of them are, and then it says import 46. This will not happen. If you find a way to do this other than this way, you got something, some programming skills. I don't. I just plug this stuff in and it works. So I clicked all of them. See, they're all done. And now I'm going to say change the destination to a place on my hard drive. And I told you I'm going to do demonstration. As soon as I find it here. See, demo. Sorry about that. Camera wasn't on it because I'm moving it to the side and looking at the screen. Alright, so there's nothing in there. Add pictures to this folder. Now watch this. You won't believe it. There's no tricks here. Here it goes. You know what happens. It freezes. About 1 or 2, maybe 4, and then that thing comes up. Oops, something went wrong. Well, you didn't get all your photos copied, and you didn't either. It says you may not have. You didn't. They made sure you're not getting it. Wait till it's all done. And I have to tell you again, this is where that warning I first gave you. If you start clicking your mail and you don't want to wait and you're clicking other things, you're going to mess it up real bad. So it gives you the wrong error. That's what they wanted. They wanted to confuse you. You saw that I put it a different location, but it says it still was copied to here. It wasn't. I won't even listen to that. They're just trying to make it hard on you. So we're going to go down here. And we are going to demo. I'll see what's happening. This is why I said don't click on anything, because it's still loading. Even though it says it's done, it's just another snag that they're trying to get you on. Let it go. Let it, as soon as this green bar up here is finished, then you can do whatever you want. You want to change the file names or do things in there, move them around to another folder, you got it. And also, which is very disappointing, Apple QuickTime has now discontinued support for QuickTime, and they no longer do it because if you watch this, I'm going to select Windows Media Player. And there it is. And there he goes. But everything works here. And like I said, the most important thing is, you go on the Photos app on your phone, keep originals, and you'll be okay. And if anything goes wrong, you see that error message or whatever, like I said, just you have to restart everything from shut off. You have to turn everything off, turn it back on. I don't know why, but there's something in there that, even though you cancel out the program and photo app and then plug your phone back in, you try them shortcuts, it's not going to work. I don't know what they did, but all I know is this method works 100%. I've done this over and over again. All those people that try to get programs to do this and charge you monthly fees and $100 to buy their program, you don't need it. This is completely free. That's what we're all about. We're all about sharing information. We're not out about giving our money to all these different people that are trying to steal our money on us. We bought this stuff already. I'm not asking for, and you're not asking for anything other than just, hey, I got photos. I want to put them on my PC. Stop charging me money for every little thing I want to do. It should have been already in the agreement. But I'll tell you, once this, please like the video. Please suggest it, because when they find this out, they're going to want to shut this video down, or they'll say, oh, there's a big virus going around or a security threat. Download iOS 15. I have iOS 14. You need iOS 15 update right away, and they're probably going to stop you from doing this because they want you to buy a Mac. But we're not gonna, not today. Stop updating and start downloading your videos. Thanks for watching.